Rock and roll jive, or single swing timing is slow, slow, quick, quick, starting with a weight transfer, or side rock onto the left foot on the first slow, on the second slow, side rock back, transferring your weight back to the right foot. To execute the quicks, the lead rocks back on his left for the first quick, before again rocking forward to transfer his weight back to the right for the second quick. The footwork for beginners doesn't change, only the direction that it is performed. The directional change is on the first slow. All direction is based on the lead steps. The sequence being danced by Lisa and Nikki is as follows. Underarm turn. Catapult. Modified catapult. Round the world. Windmill. Windmill. Stop and go. Exit. Lady, lead turn. Closed basic.
And a cat of easy start, and 1,500 acres, all 40 ton of grass. I said goodbye before July to a woman in an awful rush, and it was nearly Christmas before I got back on touch. I found a sin, but I had no brakes, couldn't keep it cool. The loads of heart was behind the dark, so kid pump back. Pray that she goes all the way. Give me a yoke with plenty of hope and a cat of easy start, and 1,500 acres, all 40 ton of grass. I said goodbye before July to a woman in an awful rush, and it was nearly Christmas before I got back on touch. I found a sin, but I had no brakes, couldn't keep it cool. The loads of heart was behind the dark, so kid for pump. Pray that she goes all the way. But the party has and heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun
Thank you for taking the time, and having the interest in dance, to watch our video. Good health, and happiness from all at Latin Quarter.